and you realized your child's growth, their development wasn't instant. Yung tipong in a flash, ganun na siya. Maybe a phase where they were a slow eater or a routine that maybe you had to repeat 100,000 bajillion times, you know, where patience obviously mattered a lot more than pressure, diba?
Yes, thank you, Carla. You know, as parents, lalo na as moms, we want perfection, diba? Kalaban natin yung mga kababaihan, we're always aiming for that perfect time of the nap, we're aiming for the perfect weight, perfect height, perfect milestone to be hit at the perfect time. And, diba lahat tayo can relate. And I think, when I realized that, you know, as Dea was growing, you know, not a lot of people know this because I never released her newly born photos, but she was actually very underweight when she was born because she was not getting enough nutrients from me. It's a whole different thing. But eventually naman, nung naging busog-lusog. But syempre, you will always have that feeling na baka she's not hitting the milestones, she's not developing properly, or at the pace I want her to develop. So I think especially during meal times, when I realized that meal times and a lot of things have to stop being performance. Diba? A performance for the child na parang she's not eating enough, she's not eating enough vegetables, especially in front of people. Diba minsan pinupuna ng tao na, "Uy, ang lakas naman kumain ng anak mo, nakakatuwa." Eh paano pag hindi? So you feel like you're not doing enough, she's not eating enough. And you as a parent, baka mali yung pagpapalaki ko sa kanya kung she's not eating properly. And so when I realized that it doesn't have to be a performance, rather it should be a time of connection between us. It's a time for us to bond, to just enjoy that moment. So I realized that the anxiety wasn't hers, it was mine. Tayo lang naman yung utak natin aiming for that perfection. That's what gets in the way of our connection with our child, which is ultimately what they want. They want our presence, they want our energy, they want to feel loved. Bekesyo kumain sila ng konti at ng marami, papalakpakan pa rin natin sila. So, you know, as you said, it's not passive the word that you said. It's actually patience. Thank you. Patience is actually not passive. It's actually a choice that you make. Diba? Hindi siya nandyan lang si pasensya. It actually takes a lot for us to be patient with the development and growth of our child. Easy